Hello Taurus, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Taurus, this is your reading for the month of June 2021, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Also Taurus, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. Taurus, I have started extended readings, and if you are excited about the same, if you want to know what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and your person, okay? If you are excited to know if you're excited to get some advice regarding your life, your money, and your career, you can go ahead and check out the extended reading. The link for the same is provided in the description box. The link for the same is provided in the comments section. You can click on that link and it will lead you to the Vimeo platform, okay, or extended reading on Vimeo platform. Make sure you follow me on Vimeo just the way you follow me on YouTube, okay? So Right. Now, as far as this reading on YouTube is concerned, Taurus, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Thereafter, I'm going to pull out some love notes, and with the help of love notes, we'll see what your person was thinking and feeling about you, especially during separation. Okay? Alright, Taurus, let's get started now. So we have a Six of Swords, then we have a Queen of Cups, then we have a King of Wands, then we have a Two of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Hanged Man. Mutual energy is that of Five of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. All right. So Taurus, you may be dealing with a Sagittarius, with a Pisces, Cancer, okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs, okay? All right, so we have Six of Swords, Queen of Cups, and King of Wands for you. So Taurus, you're leaving an emotional situation, or at least you are making sure that you're withdrawing yourself from an emotional situation which after a lot of efforts as well couldn't work out, did not work out, okay. I believe you are a kind of a person, Taurus, where you are thinking that communication always plays a key role in any sort of relationship, okay. And as much as you were expressive in this relationship, as much as you were very open and upfront as to what you want and what you see in this relationship, what you see happening in this relationship, okay, as much as you were open and upfront about what you feel, what are you going through, okay, equally and more than that, your person was emotionally reserved, emotionally unexpressive, emotionally distant from you at times, okay. You knew that this person likes you, you knew that this person loves you, but you always felt that this person is holding themselves back, okay. And you were very much urging your person all the time that let's sit down, let's get into some communication, let's get into some open communication. The way I always keep on expressing myself, I have never seen you expressing yourself. Okay, I always think that there is a lot that is going on in your mind, but you don't want to express that. Okay, there is, I always sense that you are about to express something, but you hold yourself back. And this is not the first time that this has happened. This is happening n number of times, and now I am heading to a I am I am now I'm becoming extremely frustrated because of that. Okay, because I am in a situation, or I find myself in a situation where I don't know what the other person thinks and feels about me. Okay, although I think that you like me, you love me, but it was never verbally expressed. Okay, so for you, communication is very important. You feel the situation is validated or confirmed because of the open communication and honest communication, and there is nothing wrong in that. Okay, communication is always the key in any sort of a relationship. Okay, so whatever you were thinking, it's absolutely right. So what you did, that because your person was constantly holding yourself back, you also started doubting them, that probably they are hiding something from you. Okay, they are not open and they're acting reserved, or they have put this unseen wall between you and them. So you started doubting that this person is hiding something from you. Probably they are with someone else, or they are lying and cheating, and that's why they are hiding. Or they also have someone else in their mind, and they are checking out other options as well, right? So the doubts started creeping in your mind, and because of those doubts, you started holding yourself back. And it was only right on your part to hold yourself back and to walk away and to give space to this person, to give space to yourself. Okay, so that both of you can think, like both of you can be very clear as to what are your needs and what are your wants, and what the other person, how much the other person can fulfill the needs and the wants of the first one, right? So you walked away because of no open and honest communication. Okay, because of the kind of doubts you had in your mind. You, now the roles have reversed. Okay, Taurus, you are coming across as reserved. You are coming across as a person who is holding themselves back. Okay, you are coming across as someone who is not open in this situation. Okay, whereas your person is thinking that it's will come to their cards, but somehow I'm sensing that they are thinking that they need to open up now. uh Taurus, I'm also sensing an energy of a new person interested in you. Okay, but I see you are not noticing this new person because you are too much focused on your past person. Okay, there is a new person who is just around the corner, but you or you may have even seen them, you may have met them, but you are not noticing them. You haven't noticed that they are interested in you, or even if you have noticed, you are not entertaining them because you are still thinking about the past. Okay, you're still thinking about the past, you're still hopeful about the past. Your mind and your heart still craves uh, and belongs to the past. Okay, that is also one of the reason, like, you want to know what's going to happen, and that is why you're watching this tarot card reading, right? But let me tell you that there is someone who is very seriously interested in you. This person is serious, but this person is also very passionate about you. And I would say probably this is a better person than the past one. Okay, but this person is watching you since a very, very long time. Okay, they are watching you, they are keeping tabs on you since a very long time. And this person is aware about your emotional state of mind. They know that you are still thinking about your past. This person is seriously keeping some tabs on you, and they are waiting for the right moment. This person will take they will make a move towards you, but at the right time. Okay, your mindset also has to be in alignment when they are going to come towards you, right? It should not happen like when they are going to come towards you, you'll not even notice them, or you will dismiss them, or you don't want to entertain them. That should not be the case. So this person is waiting for the right time, right? So uh, 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 as far as your person is concerned, we have is two of swords, we have wheel of fortune, and we have hanged man. I told you, Taurus, this person, uh, they have someone in their life, someone else as well. But now they are thinking more about you. Earlier, it was like there was this person had put you in a third party situation. I'll be honest over here. And you have given them that space by moving away from this person. You have given them that space to think clearly about the situation. Okay, earlier there was too much of overlap. Okay, they couldn't think very clearly and precisely about this connection. Now their mind is more inclined towards you. Okay, their mind is more inclined towards you. They wish that a change happens in this situation. This person clearly had a someone else in their life. Okay, I can clearly see, and they were constantly comparing you and the other person. Okay, uh, with the Wheel of Fortune, I see that their intention is to bring a change in the situation. Their intention is to uh, initiate a communication with you. Okay, but this person is very slow, let me tell you that. They are very, very slow. Very slow. They take very long time to decide. They will take very long time to come towards you. Even after decision, they will not come right away towards you. They will think and rethink their decision. They will weigh the pros and the cons. Okay, by that time you may get like move on with a new person. You may even get married and have kids. But I see that this person moves at a speed of a snail. Okay, why I don't know, but I see that they're going to be very slow. The intention is there to make things right between you and them, and somehow this person comes across as a bit indecisive. They are never sure about their decision, and that is also why we have this Two of Swords. Okay, they are not very sure about their decisions. And right, although they want to take a different perspective, and they are trying to take a different perspective about this connection. Now that you are not there, now that you have shown that you are not an you're not going to be there at their beck and call. Okay, you're not going to run your life as per their whims and fancies. Now they have started taking you more seriously. Okay, so yes, so that's what they are thinking about you. The mutual energy is out of Five of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. So, nevertheless, even if they have this energy to come towards you, I see that both of you still have options. I have told you that they already have option, and even you have option. I told you, right? Someone new is interested in you, and you are going to think about this new person, Taurus. Okay, you are going to think about this new person. So far, this person was thinking about the other person, but now they are inclined to think about you. And when it comes to you, you are thinking about the new person in your life. Both of you, you have options, and for both of you, you are thinking on these lines. What will be good for this connection? Like, what will be good for you individually? Both of you are thinking your own interest, whether it will be good to stay in this connection or whether it will be good to walk away from this connection. Both of you are thinking on those lines. Okay, so if this resonates, go ahead and check out the extended reading. The link for the same is provided in the description box. Link for the same is provided in the comment section. What do we see in the extended readings? We will explore what your person is thinking and feeling about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and your person. Okay, and I also advise you regarding your love, your life, your money, and your career. Okay, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and check that out. Right, so let's check the love notes, what your person is thinking and feeling about you. Some of the love notes may look like what they are thinking and feeling about you. Some of the love notes may look like what you are thinking and feeling about them. Okay, You're simply irresistible. You can make me better when I am feeling down. Holding your hand while watching a movie is just awesome. You're my best friend and will always be. I feel halved when I'm not with you. Ooh, you are such a kind human being. Wow. You laugh at my jokes even when they are not funny. You always know what I'm thinking. The way you run your hands through my hair. I can guess what I'm gonna You can guess what I'm gonna say. You make me laugh constantly. You keep little mementos of things we have done. Wow. I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share, and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.